here. Beep, 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 beep. You have us. With everything. We'll do a spin. We'll do a spin of everything. Pretty cool. We got so the Palatine's that way behind us. And then we go around to the Arch of Constantine. And then we go around to the Coliseum. And it's pretty cool.
It's fun with the tourists.
Yeah, there's a lot of tourists. We just gotta find our first tour. I think it's gonna be the Pantheon one, so we're just kind of bobbing around until then. They look super great. Hey babe, what time is it?
Time to go and roll.
Yeah, just about. It's 3:08 in the morning.
3:08.
Yeah, and we're about to get picked up by Art. It's very kind for giving us a ride. And Devesh, again, thank you for this camera. Using abilities, it's been good. Bella's kind of... It has to be, babe. It's real life. Don't worry, I can edit it. Bella's bummed we're leaving. Real bummed. Bye, Bella. I love you. Freddy's hiding under the bed, I think, but... What?
We're gonna have so much fun.
I know it's gonna be so rad. Planes. Gotta go get in one of those. Those are Alaska. I just meant a plane, not one of those specific planes.
No, the A terminal's over there.
Why are you saying I gotta go to the A terminal to work with an asshole?
No, because you said this plane.
Oh, I get it. You're so clever.
So American? Oh, it's another A word.
Oh, it's British, actually.
So we're
Well,
going
it's
to the British
our
terminal?
flight says American.
Okay.
Our ticket says American.
Okay.
I love you.
But I got you guys here 6 minutes early.
Thank you, Art. Thank you, Art.
Best Uber driver
Ever. Never even met this guy before. Haven't worked with him.
5 out of 5 stars.
No,
Yes.
1 out of 5 stars.
Even though no waters.
Hashtag Alex McGowan.
No waters.
Why
No
does
water.
Alex
Because Alex McGowan leaves 1-star ratings, I leave 5-star ratings, and then Art kind of just dilly-dallies between the two and decides how he wants to fuck over the business. Or
Here.
Thank you, brother.
Bye. Have a
Bye.
safe journey.
Thank you.
Do cool things and eat pasta. Don't eat one.
Okay, I just gotta get the bag. We're moving. Very sorry.
How do we open it? Open up. Oh.
Sorry, she doesn't go well with like buttons and new things that are weird. And, you're good. Blow your face, thank you. Gosh darn it, Josh, learn how to use things. It's currently what, 3:40 in the morning? Not even now, 4 something now probably. I don't know, Steph's a little bit worried about the beer getting crushed in the bag. They just kind of tossed it on there. They were mad we were 17 pounds over the usual limit or whatever, but we said just send it, man. You know, we need the beers. $100 whole to try to bring beers. We'll hope they all survive, otherwise that was $100 and a lot more dollars worth of beer. So good luck, beers. That's our current concern of the morning. We're going to find less security lines, rather. We'll see you guys soon. Guys, we found Claudio. Claudio got a new job. He's done singing. He's an air traffic controller.
Air traffic controller.
I can make jokes about that one because I'm certified as an air traffic controller. Air traffic controllers don't hold long. Alright guys, so we're about to start our descent into JFK.
New York.
Pretty miserable flight, to be really honest. I've flown on a lot of military flights, it's really sketchy shit. Turbulence on this, like, my heart was in my chest, like, way up high the whole time. of us going into it. Well, I mean, it's an airport, dude. What are you gonna expect? We'll get there, don't worry. It's also way early in the morning. You really see me.
City's starting to look up.
What did you get, Steph? Do you get a stamp for Rome?
I got a stamp. My first
Stamp
ever
from
stamp.
Go find her bag now. Not looking like any broken. Alright, so we made it through the airport. Now we've got all our beers, and they seem to not be broken. So it's really good news. We apparently still have all of our beers. I hope I didn't just jinx that because I haven't looked at all of them, but it appears we did. So we're going to try to find something to snack on, maybe a thing from here. About right? Ish. Sure. Who knows? I think that's kind of on me. Anyway, we just got to Rome. Thank you, baby. Steph's gonna go find some food at this pizzeria cafe kind of thing. They've got Peroni's, which is kind of one of the flagship beers in the area. I think I might get one of those to start my day off with. I'm gonna go look at food.
You're gonna have a Peroni?
I might.
It's like 8 in the morning.
Yeah, I know. On vacation.
Is it actually?
It's probably like actually this morning. So yeah, we the trip was good. Both flights were pretty turbulent. Surprisingly, I slept on both and so did Steph. I double shotted myself out with some vodka and red, and that kind of helped a little bit, I think. So yeah, we'll talk more about the flight later.
7:33.
Yeah, I want to have a beer up there. We'll see you guys in the car. We found the trains. We're hoping we're going the right way. We'll see.